Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey with the versatile jackfruit? Let's explore the delightful world of Kathal ki Sabji, a savory sensation that's taking Indian households by storm. Discover the art of preparing this delectable dish, exploring its flavors, health benefits, and regional variations. From the north to the south of India, various versions of Kathal ki Sabji showcase the culinary diversity of the country. Gather the ingredients and follow the step-by-step instructions to create a mouth-watering Kathal aloo ki Sabji. From preparing the kathal and potato to cooking the masala, this recipe promises a delightful culinary experience. Explore exciting variations like Malabar-inspired, Punjabi, and stuffed kathal to add a unique twist to this culinary delight. The possibilities are endless. Uncover the impressive nutritional benefits of jackfruit, from being packed with vitamins and minerals to its high fiber content and potential antioxidants. Embrace the diversity of regional variations, savor the health benefits, and enjoy the international appeal of kathal in your kitchen. It's not just a dish, it's a culinary journey. Get answers to your burning questions about storing, substitutes, health benefits, and creative ways to use leftover Kathal ki Sabji. For details recipe, visit www.dailynecessities.in.